Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a very small haul. It's not even a haul. I'm just gonna walk through just two deals which are amazing and you really have to do it. These are also Ibotta deals. But guys, who are new, if there is anybody out there who are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And if you guys doesn't know what Ibotta is, it's a cashback app where you can earn money for buying your groceries. I will also do a video on how to use it sometime, but for now I'm gonna post my referral code here on the screen. So please guys, if at all you are new to Ibotta, please do use my referral code, as there's a new bonus where if we refer two friends, you're gonna get $20. So please guys use my referral code and help me out in doing more and more deals. I mean, like, bringing you new deals. So, and also I want to tell one thing guys, I am a bit disappointed because I know nothing comes easily, but you know what, I'm trying to do good deals, but I'm not getting more subscribers, and that's okay, but at least I'm thankful that you guys are watching, that 30 or 32 subscribers, whoever they are. Thank you so much for that and for supporting and encouraging me. And please do like and comment so that I'll feel active and I'll feel like doing more and more deals. Okay guys, that's it. I'm sorry for boring you. Okay, then I'll walk through the deals. The first deal is on So Delicious pairings. This deal is from Target. This is usually priced at $2.29, and Ibotta is giving back 50% of it, which is $1.15. But as its regular price is $2.29, there's a sale in Target for $1.50. And there's a circle offer for 30 cents, no, for 30%. And the limit is 4. I mean, like, in one transaction you can buy 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, and the limit in Ibotta is 5. So you're gonna buy 4 of them, each at $2.29, but the sale price is $1.50, and with 30% Target circle off, you are gonna get it for each for $1.05, and Ibotta is giving back $1.15, making each of them free plus a 10-cent money maker, which means for 4 of them it's gonna be 40-cent money maker after making everything all this free. And guys, do try these flavors. These are really good. I like them. I think there are also 2 more flavors, but I didn't find that at my store, so you definitely have to do this deal. And the second deal is from Whole Foods. This Skytel Blissful, this usually is priced at $1.99, which means $2 each, but there's a sale going on for like 3 for $4, which means you are gonna buy 3 for $4, and Ibotta is giving back on each one. You're gonna get $1.50 back. If you see my previous video, you'll get to know how you're gonna get $1.50 back on each one. So $1.50 on this one, and this one, making it $4.50. So I paid $4 for these 3 out of my pocket, and Ibotta is giving back $4.50, which makes 3 of them free and a 50-cent money maker. And coming to next one is this Humming Bar. If at all you go onto their website and chat with them in Facebook, they're gonna send you one free sample of bar. I didn't try it yet, but hopefully it will be good. And the flavor is lavender, pistachio and blueberry. So I don't know, I'll just try and let you know guys how it is. And the last one is, I don't usually use Checkout 51 and Saving Star. I don't know, maybe I'll use it in future. But this one, there was a free sample in Checkout 51. I think it's been 1 month or so. I don't know if it's there now or not. I just requested for a free sample and gave them my address, and I got this sample in my mail. And these are the deals for today, guys. Hope you liked this video. And I'll also do a video on another app where you'll get free items. So yes, guys, these are the deals which are freebies and money makers using another app. Uh, but if at all you want the details and you want to learn how to use it and make free money and free products, please let me know in the comment section below so that I can do these deals. I just want to know whether you're interested in these deals or not. That's why I'm not doing a video directly. If at all you want to learn how I got everything for free, please do comment. And if at all like in these 32 subscribers, if at all at least 4-5 members request this, I'm gonna do this video. Otherwise I don't know. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video and encouraging me. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.